Alright, so here is a DJI Mavic Pro. It is a refurbished model that I bought off eBay from DroneSuperStore. And they are an authorized reseller of DJI products. And you can see it's still sealed here, so we're going to open it up and see what this refurbished DJI Mavic Pro, what kind of condition, what it looks like. There we go. You can see the controller here. It has a plastic piece on it to cover it up, so it looks like it is in...
That's a small drone.
It is a small drone.
It's the tiniest drone I ever saw.
So this is the controller. It looks like it's brand new. Doesn't look like it has any scratches or anything on the glass. Everything still has plastic, like protective film on it. So there is that. And then here is...
You want me to take this off?
Here is the drone itself. Has a protector over the gimbal. And there is that. Has some protective plastic pieces there. So everything looks new. I mean, it doesn't have any scratches, anything out of the ordinary. Let's open it up. Okay.
And here's some
There's
stuff.
that.
And here's some wires.
So there it is when it's opened.
Wires.
Thing is cool. Yeah, it looks perfect.
And
There's the battery.
Dad,
There's underneath, no scratches, nothing that I can see. So, yep. So there we go. If you're looking
Daddy?
to purchase from DroneSuperStore on eBay, I don't think you should worry about it one bit. I ordered this on Wednesday, and it was already, no, maybe Tuesday, and it was already out for delivery on Thursday, but due to weather, we didn't get it till today. So there it is, DroneSuperStore.com on eBay. Everything looks perfect. Doesn't look like has a scratch on it. So there you go.
and you need to take this off.
Yeah, we'll need to take all this plastic
I'll
stuff
take
off.
this off.
So there we go. What else we have? We have some books that
Can I see
you
the
can read. There's some books in there. Here is the charger.
I'll get all the plastic
And
off.
then, let's see, we have some
Okay.
cables. So there's charging cables, and then a cable for an Android phone if you have an Android, and I believe the iPhone cable should be inside there already. I don't even know how to open it. There we go.
I'll get
So,
all.
yep, there's the lightning cable is in there. So the bottom propellers were on the drone already. I noticed the top ones were missing. But if you look in the box under this little flap, there are two pouches. So in those two pouches are a set of blades. So there's two sets here. So I guess they give you enough for your drone, and then you have a spare of each. So there's spares. So if you notice, there's a silver circle on this one and not a silver circle on that one. That is how you know which propeller goes on which motor. So this one has the silver, so you put the silver one on that one. This one's just black, so you put the black one on that one. So there you go. See ya.
Bye.
Bye.